Yo!
Previously on Cudgle. Cudgle made his dog into an amiibo and naturally went on a conspiracy theory rant about evil Barney the dinosaur. Okay, you're pretty much up to speed.
La 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 la.
Is this the mortal who invoked my name?
Yeah, probably. I guess so.
Human, I've heard of your clay crafting abilities. They intrigue me to come find you.
Oh, you're a subscriber? Thank you so much. I mean, I appreciate every single one of you.
Silence, human! I require your services, lest you want me to destroy your mortal being.
That would probably hurt. So I guess I'll hear you out.
Good. Good.
Hey Cudgle, who's this guy?
Oh, hey Robert. I don't know. He just kind of showed up and threatened my life.
Oh, business as usual then.
Yeah, it's been kind of a weekly thing for a while.
Silence! Sculptor, I require a physical vessel to contain my being. You must make me such a vessel at once.
Oh, well, you want a commission? Okay, well, if you go down to the description of this video, then you'll see the link to my Etsy, where you can message me and we might be able to work something out.
Make the vessel now or I will destroy you.
Alright, fine. I'll give you a discount or something. Jeez. Hello, everyone. It's the fellow himself, Cudgle. I'm going to die if I don't make this custom amiibo.
It would be kinda funny though.
Yeah, you're probably right, but I've got a lot of stuff I need to do, so I can't really find anywhere to put that in my schedule. When I first started this channel, I never really expected myself to make a Barney custom amiibo, but here we are. If you're completely lost at the entire concept of this video, then you might want to check out last week's episode, where I threw a birthday party for my dog, made him into a custom amiibo, and then went on a tangent about Barney the dinosaur for like 5 minutes. Anyway, before we got into the custom amiibo, I wanted to tell you guys about some of my social media, like my Twitter, which I just post terrible memes like all day. Instagram, where I post exclusive content and like high quality pictures of the custom amiibos I make. My website, cudgle.com, where I upload these videos and also I make comics. And my Etsy, where you can order a custom amiibo by yours truly. I don't do every commission request on there, but it's worth asking me. We might be able to work something out. Also, be sure to like this video if you like it, and subscribe if you like me, because I've been wanting to tell you this for a while, but I never really had the courage to do it until now, but I think I like you too. Anyway, I should probably start working before this guy over here kills me, so what do you say we start making our Evil Barney custom amiibo? So last week's video, where I threw a birthday party for my dog and made him into a custom amiibo, somehow included a segment where I mentioned an evil version of Barney the dinosaur. Then I uncovered a massive conspiracy spearheaded by none other than an individual named Joey Slick. Anyway, I really should have seen this coming, but I got a ton of requests for an evil Barney the dinosaur custom amiibo, thus our sacred meeting here today. This sculpture won't be too difficult, so let's just have some fun with it. I'm putting a wireframe inside the clay for extra stability. I don't really think he'll need it, but it's nice to have one anyway, and I like having the wireframe extend from the feetsy-weetsies in order to stick into the base and be a lot more sturdy. We just did the basic body shape, so let's add the legs. He's got some tree trunk legs, let me tell you. Even with how thick the legs already are, and the bodacious curves I gave the man, he still needs to be thicker. Much thicker. Just stupid thick. Even thicker than his legs is his tail, but I ran out of Barney hentai to flash on the screen, so you're just getting normal footage. Yeah, I actually had to search for Barney hentai and crop it just to put in this video. I don't think the gag was worth the traumatic experience that I went through. Now to make his feet. tiny triangles with 3 very suckable toes. Oh my goodness, I am sorry. I can't help but say that whenever I mention toes. Okay, so they'll have yellow claws on each on each toe. Whew, okay. Put the feet on the legs! Put the feet on the legs! Yeah, do it! Yes! Yeah! Amazing! Yeah! Woo! He needs his green bell, which extends all the way down his tail. Now for his head. It's shaped much like the seed of one of several genera of the flowering plant family Fabaceae, which are used for human or animal food. Then we gotta cut a big ol' mouth into it. I put black clay on the top and bottom of the inside of his mouth. This will add a lot more detail once the teeth are put in. Speaking of those, Barney's got some gigantic, unsettling teeth, let alone the added fangs that Evil Barney has. So I'm gonna add those here. Oh my goodness, okay, that looks a little too creepy. Could you like add some lips or something? That's much better, thank you so much. Good job on the fangs, by the way. If you take this footage of me putting Barney's head on his body and reverse it, it's like I'm decapitating the guy, haha LMAO. I added some clay between the head and body to make more of a smooth transition between the two. I went ahead and made the arms off camera since they're pretty simple. I also put some wire inside the left arm since it juts out of the body and would be pretty fragile otherwise. Now for his signature red eyes. After all, it would just be normal Barney if not for this defining characteristic paired with the fangs. Nothing fancy here, just 2 tiny red ovals with extremely small pupils, then his eyebrows. He's got some disgusting green liver spots on his back, so I went ahead and added those. So I hate to bother you in the middle of the video, but I wanted to ask you guys a question. See, I heard that YouTube implemented something called a like button, and even a subscribe button, and I think they appear below every video, so could you guys click the ones below this video and tell me what they do? I never knew they existed before, so I'm super curious, but I'm very scared to press them in case something bad happens and my mom finds out and grounds me. Okay, thank you. He's almost ready to be baked, but before we do that, let's clean him up a bit using nail polish remover on a Q-tip. Here I'm drilling a couple holes into the resin base that I made beforehand. Once the holes are drilled, I can glue the base together with a King K. Rool amiibo chip inside, making him K. Rool when he's scanned in Smash Ultimate. I know there are other characters that might fit better, like maybe Purple Yoshi or even Ridley, but I wanted to leave the choice up to you guys. So I held a poll in the community tab of my channel, and as it turns out, King K. Rool won by quite a bit, so I guess I can't go against the majority. Kinda makes sense when I think about it too, cause Yoshi isn't evil at all, Ridley isn't pudgy enough, and Bowser doesn't even look like a dinosaur. Even though he's an alligator slash crocodile slash Kremling thing, King K. Rool kind of does look like an exaggerated evil Barney the dinosaur. Once he's firmly glued to the base, we should glaze him with a matte finish. And whoa, look at that! We finished our Evil Barney custom amiibo! The video isn't over, so don't leave quite yet, but thank you for watching. I sincerely love how much people seem to be enjoying the channel lately. It just makes me so happy. Anyway, let me know what you want to see next in the comments. Keep an eye on the community tab of my channel for polls that I put up pretty often, usually having to do with what amiibo you guys want to see the next week. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for just some trashy memes, Instagram for exclusive content and high quality pictures of customs, and go on over to Cudgle.com for videos, comics, and more. If you'd like a commission, go on over to my Etsy in the description where we might be able to work something out. Let me know what your favorite dessert is in the comments because I'm hungry. Anyway, let's go check out what happens to Skit Cudgle. It looks like he's in a bit of a pickle, what with yet another enemy threatening to kill him. Alright, I made your physical form. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Oh. So you're not gonna kill me or anything?
No, you did a great job. Thank you.
No problem.
I'll see you around. I like your videos a lot. Thanks again.
I guess Evil Barney wasn't so evil after all.
Hey, he didn't pay for the commission. What kind of evil son of a bitch would do that?
You know, Robert, sometimes it's the joy of creating something that's pay enough.
Screw that. I like money. This sucks. At least you made a video out of the whole ordeal.
Wait, I was making a video this whole time? Oh my goodness! I'm sorry, I did not see you there.
Well, I'm out of here. I couldn't steal your commission money, but I can at least go spend all of your ad revenue that you made on this video so far.
Okay, I hope you have a grand time.
Thanks, baby. You know I always do.
Whew. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah. La 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 la.